away you go.
Great. This is an application called VitReview. It's a healthcare specific application, and it was actually done in conjunction with Intermountain Healthcare out of Salt Lake City. And the idea is that it's going to allow a surgeon, a heart surgeon, to actually document what's going to happen in a procedure, what happened in a procedure, and actually store that with the patient's electronic health record. So if I'm a doctor and I put my badge down to authenticate myself, my carousel of patients come up. Let's say that we're interested in taking a look at Ken. Here are some body parts and notes that we have on Ken. I'm going to choose the heart. This is actually going to go out to Microsoft Health Vault, which is a product that they acquired a few years back on electronic health records. Here's a 3D representation of Ken's heart. Here are some of the images that we've actually collected from Ken's heart. So if I click one of these images, it will actually orient this 3D representation to show where that's coming from. Now, with the purpose of the doctor actually documenting what's going on here, we can actually draw on some arteries. If there are more arteries here, we can take some away. We could actually document a stent, if that is the procedure that's happening here, and the doctor could actually type some notes that we would save with the patient's record. We could also, if there's some blockage here in this artery, we could actually note that here. We could designate the percentage and some other information maybe that we'd want to store specifically with this patient's heart. So again, this is stored with the patient's record, and you could obviously sit down with the patient and provide a consultation on what's happened or what is going to happen in a procedure.